Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Messenger account. You cannot deactivate your Messenger account without deactivating your Facebook account. If you want to deactivate your Messenger account, you have to deactivate your Facebook account too. Now, if you want to deactivate your Messenger account, firstly, open up the Messenger app and now tap on three lines at the top left. And now tap gear icon at the top right of the menu. Now scroll this page to the bottom and now tap on account settings. Now, as I said earlier, you cannot deactivate your Messenger account without Facebook account deactivation. And by tapping on account settings, you will be landed to the settings page of Facebook. Now tap on personal information and there tap on manage account. Now there you will be able to see deactivate option. Tap on that option. And now you have to choose the reason for your account deactivation. Now scroll to the bottom and tap on continue button. Now scroll this page to the bottom. You can choose automatically reactivate option for your account reactivation. Now for that you can choose the days, and after that chosen days your Facebook account and Messenger account will be automatically reactivated. If you don't want automatically reactivation of your account, then again tap on this down facing arrow and choose the very last option, don't reactivate automatically, and then tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, your Messenger and your Facebook will be deactivated, and that's how you can deactivate your Messenger account. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.